I like shaping the future. I like seeing the light bulbs go off when they get a concept. I like when maybe they were struggling at first and then like, oh, I get it now. Thank you, Ms. Morton.
Our school district is a very diverse one. We are growing at about 400 to 500 kids a year. We are one of the fastest growing school districts in the state of Texas. With regard to information technology, the district was moving with the help of Dell towards this idea of virtualization throughout the district and to the idea of interconnectivity 24/7.
Well, when I took over the technology department, one of the biggest issues was we had a lot of antiquated systems as far as end-use clients, PCs, things of those natures. We were looking at about a $6.5 million requirement to replace all of those older systems. We wanted options, so we approached Dell. We are a Dell shop. Dell brought in a company called Logical Front that showed us how to use virtual desktop infrastructure that allow us basically to use the older systems by removing the hard drives and streaming the image out to the client rather than just having it all work or reside natively there in the classrooms.
We were skeptical at first, wondering about the end user experience, but the end result was better than we could have ever expected.
Teachers, students, and administrators can access their virtual desktop from anywhere that they have internet access. The advantages to them is now they manage their time the way they want.
I do lesson plans from home, I can post grades from home.
No matter where I am in the building, I can log in and get to my desktop if I need it. I like to integrate technology throughout my daily lessons. We have a variety of games they play to practice math, practice their reading, practice spelling.
We play computer games that let us learn. We use it to do math and we use it to learn Spanish.
I learn fast math when you like figure out the problem as fast as you can. It's really cool.
When we first started mapping everything out, we knew that we were going to have to invest on the back end as far as our network infrastructure.
They use a combination of provisioning services, which is a Citrix product, Zen Desktop. They use Dell EqualLogic storage, Dell PowerEdge servers and blades. Power Connect switching is used for the back end. They're using full 10 gig fabric. With Dell, it truly is a soup-to-nuts, end-to-end platform.
The top benefits for us obviously were upfront costs. We were talking about a $2.5 million project versus a $6.5 million project. The $2.5 million project works across the board. The $6.5 million only dealt with the legacy systems. The other added benefit was ease of management.
Whenever we need to re-image, we basically go into a console, we right-click on a VDisk copy, and we select all the clients and paste it right on there, and then we can re-image probably 300, 400, 500 clients within a matter of seconds.
One of the huge advantages here is that, let's say that there are kids out there that necessarily don't have the money to have a nice PC at home. They don't have to. They can have a 12-year-old PC, log into the system, and all the processing power is done on the back end.
It's greatly transformed the way that we do business because now you are able to spend more time learning, growing, collaborating with your team.
I've seen productivity increases just by the fact that we are connected, the processing power is fast, and we can use the money we would have otherwise used on other needs within the district.
Technology in the classroom is very important, mostly because it's very engaging for the kids. They're doing PowerPoints, they do presentations, they are doing research on the computer.
We started a new project. We're researching tropical rainforest. We've been using the computer for that, and we've been going online looking for pictures and information.
The best part about teaching is the kids. I just love the kids. I love to see the excitement on their face. And if I can get them excited about learning, then my day's complete.